Cheers.
Yes. Babe, what are you doing?
Well, champagne breakfast, and we're gonna have a crack at some more croissants today, which all we've done is put them on a tray overnight, ready to go, approved overnight, and then Sophie provides very simple, easy to follow instructions.
To be honest, you're only here for the. Ooh, hashtag clever band. Nice hair band.
Thank you. What I'm here for.
Alex, you're gonna be so jealous.
All the comfort that I crave, I will follow you anywhere you go. I'll follow you. I will follow you anywhere you go. I'll follow you. Put your lips against mine, boy.